Alright, hello everybody. This is an explanation video for the video I just posted.
Yeah.
So, I have my friend to back me up here since he was there.
Yeah.
So, we were in this Discord server called Dadscord.
Yeah. The most horrible
And-
server.
Like, toxic too. So, we were just talking about, the game that my profile picture was from.
Yeah. The coffin of Andy.
Just going on as usual. Until these two girls joined. One of them didn't get recorded, but we got the other recorded, as you guys saw in the video. Now, you guys might be asking, why be toxic back? I mean, why be toxic? They were toxic first. My friend can...
Just started complaining.
Yeah. So, these two girls joined, and then started talking about how I didn't have a life, blah blah blah. So, my friend took it into his hands and made a recording of one of the girls that was there and was bullying me. Now, if you know me, I don't take that bullshit.
Yeah, that's the fact.
So, we recorded her, and
Yeah, she started
I feel
just
like that's
freaking
just,
out.
like-
She just started
animal noises
freaking out
too.
for no reason. I just screaming like an animal.
Like, they started going on and on about incest and shit. Like, it's a game.
Yeah, it's just a game.
Do you guys know the game?
Yeah, the problem is just that they hated when he liked the game, so he just like thinks that it's like Andrew, like the same character, and yeah, they just hated that and just like complaining for no reason for him liking the game so much. Which it's unfair. It's just
People do that too. Like, people like use their profile, rename themselves as the character that their profile is, and yet I get blamed on for liking a character.
Yeah, and that's the whole thing.
That in the story game had sex with their sister. Now, I'm not like that. I just like the character's personality. I don't like how he had sex with the sister, sure.
Yeah, of course.
I don't like that part at all.
Yeah.
But it's just his personality I like, so I liked him. So I decided to make my profile, my name, and
Just be
decided
like
to roll with it.
Yeah. So
Now, yeah, that's basically like what happened.
yeah.
You started. Oh yeah, hold up. No, wait, there was more. There was this other girl that started calling me a LARPer. Now, if you guys don't know what a LARPer is, it is a live action roleplay.
Yeah.
Or there's another term. Let me look that up. I'm sure there's another term for it too.
Yeah, there is a I don't know, I forgot. It's just like you're calling him a LARPer for being like in the character from so much.
Someone who participating in live action roleplay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now, if you know what, and now they didn't have to call me a LARPer because this wasn't a live action roleplay.
Yeah, he was just chilling.
This was just me.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, I feel like they didn't know what a LARPer is.
Yeah. No, we're just chilling.
So if you see this video, to the girls that try to bully me, if you see this video, you now know what a LARPer means.
Yes, sir.
I am not one. I would be someone that you would be called the cosplayer.
That's more
Or something like that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's more like LARP.
But anyways.
Yeah, it is what it is.
So they were being toxic, and
they got what they deserve.
punishment, like, it was a punishment for them. They made themselves look like this.
Yeah, they pushed themselves.
So if you see a girl named, hold up, what was one of their names?
This one like Sammy. The other one, I think it's Ink. I don't know. Aiko. I forgot. Ink, I think.
Well, yeah, I think it is. So if you see those two, block them. And to the boyfriend of Ink. I mean, no, the
Sammy.
one that is recorded.
Sammy.
I feel very sorry for you, dude.
Yeah, we're
This
so
is
sorry.
like what your girlfriend. This is what your girlfriend is like behind your back, and this is what your girlfriend is like when
Well, she's
she
in
isn't around
hitting
you.
up in the voice chat.
This is like her true self.
Yeah,
This is her true self.
we're sorry, bro. We're sorry.
We're sorry. Alright, thank you guys for listening in, tuning out.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.